James Rogers and son Tristan filleting. So as you can see,
Taking first fillet off.
there we go.
Wow.
Beautiful.
The wet mucky stuff off the back.
Beautiful.
One fillet ready to go straight in the bag.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that technique. There he is, guys. The man, the myth, the legend, Dylan Rogers Fishing. Go follow him now.
Fillets are hard to find.
Or die early. Put two in one, bro. Put two fillets in one.
Yeah, where have you been, like?
Is that what you do? Or?
Here we see James is obviously a bit more experienced than Tristan. We'll give Tristan a few more years and he'll catch up with speed. He's doing an alright job, pretty good.